Enhancing your English, mastering adjectives and adverbs for describing trends. Hello, English learners. In today's lesson, we're going to focus on an important aspect of academic and professional English, describing trends. Specifically, we'll dive deep into adjectives and adverbs that you can use to accurately and effectively depict changes and patterns in data, statistics, and processes. So, buckle up, get your notebook ready, and let's elevate your English vocabulary. Describing trends is crucial in many professional and academic contexts. Whether you're presenting a business report, writing a research paper, or discussing social phenomena, the ability to clearly convey changes over time is a must. Adjectives and adverbs play a pivotal role here, helping you provide precise descriptions, clarify your points, and make your arguments more compelling. Let's kick things off with some essential adjectives. Steady. This means something is constant and does not change significantly. E.g., the company has shown steady growth this year. Dramatic. Use this when changes are sudden and significant. E.g., there was a dramatic increase in sales last month. Sharp. This denotes a sudden and large change. E.g., we observed a sharp decline in customer satisfaction scores. Gradual. Use this to indicate a slow and steady change. E.g., there was a gradual decrease in the unemployment rate. Slight. This suggests a small change. E.g., we noticed a slight improvement in productivity after implementing the new system. Remember, these are just a handful of examples. There are many more adjectives out there for you to discover and use. Now, let's explore some vital adverbs for describing trends. Significantly. This is used to highlight that a change is important or noteworthy. E.g., profit margins increased significantly. Gradually. This denotes that something is happening slowly over time. E.g., the percentage of the population using smartphones has increased gradually. Sharply. This shows that a change happened quickly and dramatically. E.g., interest rates fell sharply. Steadily. Use this to suggest that something is consistent or unchanging. E.g., the population has grown steadily over the last decade. Slightly. This implies a small or minor change. E.g., the temperature dropped slightly overnight. Understanding the subtle differences between these adverbs can help you provide a clearer picture of the trends you're describing. And there you have it, folks. We've covered some key adjectives and adverbs that will help you describe trends more effectively in English. Remember, learning is a continuous process, so keep practicing and using these words in your daily conversations, writings, and presentations. We hope this video has been helpful. Keep exploring, keep learning, and as always, keep making your English better and better. Until next time, happy learning!